Are you interested in buying or investing in real estate but have no idea where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Real Estate 101, a beginner's guide to buying and investing in property. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of real estate, from understanding the market to making your first purchase. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things real estate. So let's get started. First, you need to know the difference between residential and commercial real estate. Residential properties are homes for individuals or families, whereas commercial properties are for businesses. Each has its own unique advantages and considerations. Next, it's crucial to assess your budget and financial goals. Determine how much you can afford to invest and if you're looking for a short-term or long-term return on your investment. This will help narrow down your options. Now, let's talk about location. Research different neighborhoods, considering factors like proximity to amenities, schools, and transportation. A location with growth potential can maximize your investment. When it comes to financing, explore your options. From traditional mortgages to partnerships or even investing through real estate crowdfunding platforms, there's a variety of ways to fund your purchase. Once you've found a property of interest, conduct thorough due diligence. Get a property inspection and review documents such as title deeds and homeowner association regulations. Don't forget to negotiate the purchase price. Finally, after closing the deal, it's time to manage your investment. Whether you become a landlord or hire a property management company, make sure to set clear expectations with tenants and keep an eye on maintenance and rent collection. And there you have it. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to becoming a real estate investor. Remember, research and education are key, so never stop learning. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this beginner's guide helpful. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good luck on your real estate journey.